कार्यकर्ते माझे बाहेर आवा, कार्यकर्ते बाहेर आवा. आता बरं जाऊ नाही बरं पाहिले रवि
I look at it more like a homecoming. It is I think it is a return of a prodigal son.
Yeah.
So the son basically has learned a lesson roaming everywhere. So Baba, this is my home. So I am come back home. So I can tell you that. I think just count when Parrikar last contested election. From that time it was. I think actually, frankly speaking, I was not basically I didn't leave the party. Actually, here our ex-president removed me from the party.
And I welcome him now.
One thing you listen. One thing you listen. Babush has been the minister in the cabinet headed by me, Congress government headed by me. Babush has been the minister, and Babush one man who is to take bold decisions even at that time.
It is not like see. Frankly speaking, when I went around to the people, there was always a doubt in people's mind. How you are saying that whether this will be the end of the road. So there was always a doubt in the people's mind that whether I'm winning as an independent, whether I will jump to another party. So the people had to be very sure that whom they are voting for. And there was loud and clear call from the people that I should basically join the Congress party. So that's the reason I have taken this.
Very good. Is it a plus point for you now since you have joined the Congress party? Earlier you have said independent. Yes, listen to the people.
See, Babu people are panting. After that, he has taken this bold decision. This you must give credit to him.
Sir, Congress is regretting for expelling Babush Monserrat. Congress is regretting
for expelling Babush Khan Monserrat.
Who? See, Congress party is the ocean. It's the largest party in the country and largest democratic country in the world. So you try to understand the party is people. Congress पक्ष म्हणजे एक चोडबोड. Congress पक्ष एकूच पक्ष नो. So there is question of regretting or don't regretting doesn't arise. Congress party will go as per the times.
I don't look at this election as challenging because I fought against Mr. Manohar Parrikar. And even last time, because Manohar Parrikar tried his level best, even he was a defense minister and BJP government was in Goa. But even that is the time I contested the independent, while Congress gave me a support. Now, and I still believe that when AAP was, I think, one of the decisive factors last time, which they took around 2,000 votes. But I still feel last time the votes which went to AAP, or even which went to BJP, that was basically, as I said, that was trust deficit from the people. Whether people did not believe whether I would jump as an independent or whether I would basically support the Congress. So I think that was one of the mistakes which I committed.
BJP will be feeling like.
Let I am not bothered who BJP feels. Let BJP feel all 40 people is not concerned. I am here to defeat the BJP. I am here as far as development of pensions, development and employment. This is one of the major issues which I am going to fight this election for.
Yes.
I will send you a clear message. I have been going around pension. I have been meeting youth. And I ask them a simple question. And they, in fact, when I meet youth, the youth say what we need. We don't want anything. See, tell you frankly, we don't need money anything. It's not that I give money, I know I have money. So, but that is one. Let us put that question aside. But what the main issue is, they say we need employment. So then I give them a simple example. I say Mr. Manohar Parrikar was here for 24 years. 24 years he was here, and he was, I think, half of the time he was the chief minister, or half of the time he was the opposition leader. Both were powerful posts. But I always believe he was as good as a chief minister when any government was there. So he is the fellow who could give each and every house an employment. For that example, I have given Vishwajit Rane's example. I said if Vishwajit Rane in his department, if there are say 100 vacancies, Vishwajit sees to it that 99 from those vacancies goes in his constituency, one he will give out. Now let us take an example of Nilesh Kabral. Nilesh Kabral in electricity department there were vacancies. Out of say 100, 90 he has given in his constituency, 10 outside. If the same thing was followed by Mr. Manohar Parrikar, I think each and every house in Punjab would have a government sector. So he has failed into this. That is the reason I am stepping in.